So this is a box opening of some Sisel products that I received a few days ago. But I wanted to mention network marketing, multi-level marketing, and direct marketing. Now, direct marketing is something I used to do. You'd get a mailing list that was a targeted audience, and you could expect to get maybe 3, if you're lucky, 4%. So if you send out 100 letters talking about your business opportunity and the products, you could expect to get 3 or 4 calls out of 100. That's not very good, but you know, it did build my business, and this was back in the 90s. So today, direct marketing is much easier if you use YouTube. And you might think, well, how is YouTube direct marketing? Because there's so many things to offer and so many different people looking for different things. Well, it's really quite easy if you learn how to optimize your videos for a targeted audience. In other words, if you've used YouTube, I'm sure you're familiar with your homepage. Homepage presents videos that they think that you're interested in because of what you've been previously watching. So if you're searching for a business opportunity in multi-level marketing, or you might call it network marketing, they're really about the same. If you use YouTube or have somebody that you're working with that's using YouTube, it can help drive traffic to interested parties. So like, it's really a great way to get the word out about anything if you know how to optimize your videos. So anyway, if you're watching this on YouTube, as chances are you've been looking at a product line that you can market, one you can stand behind. I've been using the Mauer's product line from the mid-1990s. I've not ever had a product that they produced in the house. Currently, we use several of the personal care products. I just bought one of their new products, which is for skin to help protect you from the blue lights that you get from computer screens, cell phones, and television, LED lights, that sort of thing, because I'm behind a computer quite a bit every day. So I got that product, and I was out of my Sisel coffee, so that's why I'm forced to go ahead and do this video now, because I'm going to open a box, show you some of the things I've ordered. As far as network marketing, it's really quite simple. If you have a group of people you already know and you want to network through them to get your business started, you can do that. Once the business is going, it's kind of like multi-level marketing, because really, people follow your lead. If they ask me, what did I do to get started? I just simply tell them what I ordered or what I like and share the opportunity with them. If they want to get involved and network it to their friends or however they want to do it, that's fine. Basically, it's show yourself friendly. If you see an opportunity to present what you have, that's great. Later, I'm going to do a video about why it's so much profitable to be in network marketing, especially with a company like Sisel, who's debt-free, manufactures all their own products, ships from their facilities, except for, there are some in-between shipping points for their overseas market, but primarily here in the United States, they ship directly from the manufacturing plant right to you. This cuts out all the middleman. That's why you're able to spread the profit among many different levels and still be a profitable company like Sisel is. Sisel is state-of-the-art, and I'll have some more videos that talks about exactly what Sisel is and what they stand for. But let's get into this box opening, show you what I ordered. Tell you the truth, I have another order coming. I ordered this one, and then I remembered I left something out, so I went ahead and placed another order. So I kind of forget what all's in here. I do know my coffee should be in here. And Sisel's got great healthy coffee. You'll see me doing plenty of videos about the coffee, just like I did the cappuccino, or the, not cappuccino, but the latte. This is pumpkin spice, which happens to be one of my favorite flavors. That's was my weakness when I was working at the warehouse for 20 years, learning how to move products from point A to point B and how expensive it is. And why Sisel is such a great opportunity, just in a marketing standpoint. But yeah, I used to stop and get pumpkin spice donuts. I loved them. And then also pumpkin spice cappuccino. And, those are fattening when you get them from the place I was getting them. But this low carb latte, along with their philosophy of adding some other healthy ingredients, you'll definitely want to go to the website and check out their Sisel Cafe product line. So let's get our box back over here. We'll just drop out some of this packing. Oh yeah. This is their mineral vitamin product, Spectra Max, and I have some of this already. My brother-in-law wanted some, so this is for him. Then I've got my 4 bags of coffee, premium instant coffee. These are in individual packets. Let me just go ahead and open one. If you want to lead your product line and talk to people, coffee is a good place to start because so many people drink coffee. There's actually 400 million cups of coffee consumed every day in the United States. That's enough to run Niagara Falls in its peak season for 32 minutes. I figured it out. That's a lot of coffee, so they come in these packets. If you buy premium coffee and you like it a little bit strong, you can use a whole packet. I usually use about 2/3 of a packet, and it's plenty strong for me because I do like a little bit of stevia and heavy whipping cream in it. So about every 4 of these I have or every 3 of these makes me at least 4 cups, sometimes more than that. So that's your instant coffee. Okay. I'm going to do a special video on this because this is what you might call equivalent to what I consumed a lot of when I was sleepy going to the work in the warehouses, which was 5-hour energy. And I learned a long time ago, you don't just drink 5-hour energy. You just sip it, put it under your tongue, and the niacin and the caffeine would go right into you. Well, and Sisel's product is, it's not loaded with the caffeine, but it does have niacin and other ingredients to help you have a sharp mind and be alert. So it's really interesting exactly how this compares to other energy drinks. And I'll have a video for that. And if you buy this gift pack right now, it comes with a little LED light for your forehead, hunting around for things in the dark, I guess. I'll probably show that. Maybe I'll make a separate video just for this. So there's my energy drink. This is a pre-workout energy drink. I'm going to be, because I'm on the keto diet and trying to get back in shape again, I'm going to be doing some videos I found on YouTube for exercising in the morning. So I'll be taking those. At least I think I will. Let me check the carbs. I didn't think they were too high. I've been taking Siseline, which is another Sisel product for if I want to skip a meal, it's really good to take. Carbs. This has got niacin in it too. Carbohydrates, 2 gram. Keto diet, right there you go. You want to get some of this if you're working out. I've got, for anyone who tries my coffee around here where I can meet them personally one-on-one, I've got the Sisel Cafe recipe book. So we can take the instant coffee right here, come up with a lot of interesting different recipes. Get the glare off of that. You can see that. There you go. I think I ordered 20 of those. Okay. Here's the product I got for my skin to help fight against blue light damage. So I'll be trying this. I think it also helps with aging spots and those sort of things. So I got a few of those to work on. They've been getting, ever since I've really been getting heavy into my Sisel products and been using a little bit of oil, I forget what it's called. My wife uses it a lot on her skin. It's all natural, and I think it helped a little. So I'm excited to try that. All right, well, if you're interested in home-based business, doing a little network, multi-level marketing, or direct marketing, just check out my website. I'll put all the information in the links or in the information area below the video. So thanks so much. I guess that's it for this video. And now I can go have my latte. All right, have a great day. This is Mike. Talk to you later.